Are you looking for affordable home replacement window options in Salt Lake City? You're in the right place. Today, let's delve into everything you need to know about vinyl windows and how they can transform your home's appearance and energy efficiency. The one common mistake homeowners make is not doing proper research before selecting replacement windows. Many choose based merely on price, ignoring quality. To avoid this mistake, thoroughly investigate the materials and brands available. Another critical error is hiring unverified installers. Ensuring your installers are reputable is essential. Always check their licenses and read customer reviews. This guarantees a smoother installation process. Lastly, many forget to plan their budget thoroughly. Hidden costs can arise during the installation process, leading to unpleasant surprises. Make sure to get comprehensive quotes to cover all aspects of the project. When considering home replacement windows installation in Salt Lake City, it's vital to understand how the local climate affects performance. Energy-efficient windows can save you money on heating costs. Affordable vinyl windows not only enhance the aesthetics of your home, but they also offer considerable energy savings. Many homeowners have noticed a significant drop in their energy bill after installation. Let's start with a big question here. How long does window installation take in Salt Lake City? Typically, it can be done within a day or two depending on the number of windows being replaced. Another common question is regarding the new window cost. The prices can vary greatly depending on material and design. Always ask for a detailed quote to understand the breakdown. Lastly, many people ask, why should I choose vinyl windows? They provide exceptional insulation, are easy to maintain, and offer longevity that surpasses many other materials. To wrap it up, if you're considering window replacement, contact us now for a free quote. Don't hesitate to call 385-300-0903 or visit us at windowsforhomes.com/home windows.